Stop that useless noise.
Hey everyone, welcome back. So you're trying to stream, or maybe you are on an important call and suddenly you sound like you're broadcasting from the middle of a hurricane. Well, if you've got an Nvidia GPU, there's a little secret called Nvidia Broadcast that can help. Today we're focusing on one of its coolest features, noise cancellation. So what's this magic, you ask? Nvidia Broadcast uses AI to filter out annoying background noises like your keyboard crackling, your cat meowing, or even the sound of your roommate's loud phone calls. Basically, it makes you sound way clearer. If you don't already have Nvidia Broadcast installed, don't worry, it's super easy. Just head over to Nvidia's website, download the software, and follow the installation prompts. It's that simple. Alright, let's set it up. First, open up Nvidia Broadcast, go to Microphone Settings and click on Add Effects. From the drop-down, select Noise Removal, then toggle it on. Then use the slider to choose the strength of the noise cancellation. You can make it as subtle or as strong as you need. And boom, you're all set. Okay, let's see this in action. First, I have this noise removal on, and see you can mostly hear my voice very clearly. Now let me turn off the noise removal. This is what you see. My friend is playing music in the background, cooking. You can see all that noise. Let me turn on the noise removal again. See the stark contrast between noise removal and the normal sound. Okay, no change in the background. It's just the magic of Nvidia Broadcast. So as you can see, Nvidia Broadcast does a pretty amazing job at cleaning up your audio. Whether you're streaming, in a meeting, or just chatting with friends, this feature will make your voice come through crystal clear. Alright, I'll catch you next time. If you want to see more how-tos like this, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions. I'd love to hear them from you.